if you're still taking great care of your face and ignoring your body, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing good, effective, simple, full package body skincare routine and also product recommendation that you can start with. I mean product that actually works for all skin types. Your skin is the largest organ, and it is not just your face that need the love. Your body also need the love that you are giving to your face. Issues like acne, hyperpigmentation, dullness and dryness also happen below the neck too. What I mean is also your body. Like all of this skin issue also happens to your body, not just your face alone. You need to give your body that love you are giving to your face. And guess what? A good skincare routine, I mean a good body skincare routine, also improve and boost your confidence. Let's quickly move into the step-by-step skincare routine for your body. With that being said, let's quickly dive into the recommendations and the steps. The first step in your skincare routine, same as your face, is always cleanser. You can simply start with a gentle exfoliating cleanser that you are going to use twice or 3 times in a week, and simply get another gentle affordable cleanser, either bar soap, either body wash, either shower gel that doesn't contain any exfoliating ingredient in it, and use it during the rest day that you are not exfoliating your skin. But the exfoliating product that I'll be recommending for you in today's video is 2 different products. The first one is Dove exfoliating body polish. This product is to be used twice or 3 times in a week in order to remove the dead outer layer on your skin. Most especially if you're experiencing dullness, dryness, you need to exfoliate your body just the way you are exfoliating your face. So this is one good, effective physical exfoliating product that you can get and incorporate into your skincare. Another exfoliating product that you can get that is not from Dove or that is not a physical exfoliant is CeraVe SA body wash. This particular product is good for bumpy skin and rough skin. If you cannot get this Dove, you can simply get this CeraVe. But remember, these 2 products are exfoliating products. You are not meant to use it every day in your skincare routine. You are to use it 2 times or 3 times in a week, and get any other mild effective body wash or body bar soap that you can get in your skincare routine. Please pardon me, any noise you are hearing from this video, just take it like that please, because I don't have any other option and I really need to film this video for you guys. So let's just focus on the recommendation and what we are here for. Any other noise, please just ignore it. These are 2 effective cleansers that you can get in order to make that your skin feel refreshed, most especially if you're having dryness, if you are experiencing dryness, if you're experiencing dullness, if you are experiencing uneven skin tone on your body. You need to get one of these products. Most especially this Dove is for all skin type, is for all skin tone. But this other CeraVe, if you're having acne on your body, if you're experiencing hyperpigmentation, you can go for this CeraVe. But if your problem is, or your issue on your skin or your body is dullness, is dryness, you can go for Dove. But if it is acne or you are experiencing hyperpigmentation on your body, or you are experiencing rough skin, uneven skin tone, just simply go for this CeraVe. The next step in your body skincare routine is going to be your treatments. So what is body skincare routine without treatment? You also need to treat your body just the way you treat your face. I've said it more than how many times in this video. This treatment is for body acne or dark spots on your body. If you have body acne, if you have body dark spots, this particular product is what you need to get. Also, this step, I will be recommending 2 different products for you that you can pick from. Is either you pick the first one or you pick the second one. Neutrogena body clear spray for acne. This particular product is for acne. It's from Neutrogena. It comes in a form of a body spray that you can spray all over your body and allow it to absorb into your skin and apply the next product on your body. So if you're having acne on your body, this is a go-to for you. This is one good product that you can get in order to get rid of your acne. Another one is Polar Choice 2% BHA. This is also a treatment product. It also comes in a spray form and it is for rough textured skin. Rough textured skin. If you know that your skin is not smooth, your body is looking rough, this is high time you get your hands on Polar Choice 2% BHA. It's either you get the Neutrogena or you get this Polar Choice in order to get this even radiant glow body, not just your face alone. So this first one is for acne, while the second one can also work on acne and rough texture skin. Even though you have clogged pores on your body, you can also use this particular product on your body and it's going to unclog the pores. Next step is your moisturizer. Don't skip this. Moisturizer keep your skin barrier healthy. Don't skip moisturizer in your skincare routine. Most especially after the treatment step, you need to go in with a good moisturizer in order to lock up all of those products you just apply on your body and for you to see a better result on your skin. Like sis, don't joke with this. Don't just joke with this. And you can simply try 2 different products. The first body moisturizer I'll be recommending is the Nivea Nourishing Body Milk for dry skin. If you have a dry skin, this is the one you can go for. Very affordable, effective at the same time. It's going to nourish your skin, it's going to moisturize your skin, it's not going to give you a dry skin. Instead, it's going to make your skin feel moistured, non-greasy, absorb easily into the skin without giving your skin any irritation at all. So this is one good particular product that you can get if you have a dry skin or you have a normal skin. Another product that you can get is CeraVe moisturizing product. This particular one is suitable for sensitive skin. If you have oily skin, you can also use this particular product, including combination skin. You can also make use of the CeraVe product. It's either you go for Nivea or you go for CeraVe. So now tell me, what is body skincare routine without sunscreen? Like if you know you're a type that puts on exposed dresses or exposed clothes, you need to incorporate sunscreen into your skincare routine. Yes, you heard me right. Your face is not the only part of your body that need sunscreen. Your body also needs sunscreen. Just as the dress I'm putting on now, you did not expect me to go out under the sun like this with my neck exposed to the sun, exposed outside without putting sunscreen. Like when I step out, the sun is going to hit this area. It's even closer to my what? To my face, to my neck. So I need to apply sunscreen to this area. And look at my hand also. You can see these parts are also exposed to the sun, which you need to also apply sunscreen to your what? To your body. If you are putting on something like sleeveless dress, you have to put sunscreen all over your arms, all over your body. So for you to be on a safer side, it is very advisable for you to put on sunscreen all over your body also. And these are products that you can try. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel SPF 30+. This is one good sunscreen you can try on, and trust me, apply it on your neck, your hands, like those exposed area on your body. Make sure you apply this sunscreen there in order to protect your skin from the UV ray. It is very important, so that it will not look as if your face is looking younger than your body. It will not be as if maybe they put someone else's head on your own body, which is that, and you know what I'm saying. So that it will not look as if maybe someone's head that they put on your body, or be someone's body that they put on your head. If you want a very rhyme, unique, even skin tone, like something that will look radiant together, something that will look youthful together, you also need to pay maximum attention to your body, not just your face, so that it will not look as if it's someone's head they put on your body. Let it look the same. Like, look at what I'm saying. Let it look rhyme, even skin tone. That is what we are here for. So don't just be buying products for your face, expensive product for your face. As you are buying those expensive products on your face that are working for your face, buy it for your body also. Your body did not offend you, so why are you ignoring your body? Like, embrace it. Let your body feel this. You are going to feel the confidence within you, outside you, when your skin is looking plumpy, when your skin is looking plumper. You know what I'm saying? So don't just focus on your face alone and neglect your body. This is for you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking. Another sunscreen you can simply get is from La Roche-Posay, and this particular one is suitable for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you can simply get this sunscreen, and trust me, sis, you come back and thank me later when you incorporate sunscreen into this simple skincare routine I just recommended. So now, if you want this extra glow, extra glow on your body, you need to invest in good body oil. Yes, you heard me right. What is body skincare routine without investing in good body oil? Investing in good body oil doesn't mean that you need to pack all your money in your bank account and invest it in body oil. That is not what I'm saying here. Invest in good and quality products. You can simply get quality products that are not expensive. Everything about quality doesn't mean that they are all expensive. So now, almond is a good example of good body oil I'm talking about. Almond oil is a very great, effective glow body oil that moisturizes your skin. Either you pick the first lotion or the second lotion, if you can incorporate it with almond oil, trust me, sis, it is a game changer. People will ask you that, what kind of product are you using? Like, what kind of luxury product are you using on your body? Not knowing that it's almond oil and your body oil that are doing the magic. Another body oil you can simply try is jojoba oil. This is one of my favorite body oil. I love jojoba oil so much. It helps to soften your skin. It helps to moisturize your skin, giving you this baby bump. Like, if you invest in body oil and you apply body oil on your skin often, like the way you do your normal skincare routine after your body lotion, like you apply body oil on your body, trust me, like people will be asking you that, why is your skin this smooth and soft? Like, body oil is non-negotiable when it comes to like a baby feeling skin. When it comes to like a glow skin, it is non-negotiable. And if you know that you cannot get jojoba oil, you cannot get almond oil, you just simply want to get a brand that produce or that has body oil, you can simply go for Palmer's. Palmer's has different oil that you can pick from. You can simply go for Palmer's moisturizing body oil. Use it to massage your body, allow your body to absorb all of those nutrients or benefits those oil has, and absorb it into your body. Just be consistent. If you are consistent with this body skincare routine I just recommended, from the cleanser down to the treatment, down to the body lotion, down to the sunscreen, down to the the body oil, these are just simple 5 steps. And if you can get this product and be consistent, you just come back and tell me that, Sophie, I just want to tell you thank you so much. Just give your body the same love you are giving to your face. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't joined the community yet, turn on the notification bell to always be the first person to be notified each time I drop informative, beautiful videos like this. And I'm going to see you all in the next very one. I still remain your favorite guest, Sophia Tabrashid. Stay blessed and peace. Bye.